We've never really studied directly what mobility looks like. But one thing that most women will always bring up with us is that, if we had something more dependable, we would feel safer, we would get out more. So yeah, I'm representing that. I'm representing basically this idea that women, when you give them good transport options, they can get better education, they can get access to jobs, food, shelter. I'm not thinking twice before getting out. I myself had to learn how to drive living here, but still there's fear, when it's raining, when it's at night. So I'm really representing those women. And the other thing in the aggregator guidelines, which I thought was very interesting, was the fact that there's incentives for women to join the workforce. And this is very important. A lot of time when we're doing work, and we say, oh, women will join as drivers, lots of people laugh. What we don't realize is we need to shift our mindset, first of all. Gig work or work like this allows women to work in smaller times, which allows them to take care of their other responsibilities. So it's really a win-win. So yeah, I'm really representing the voice which is left out of the narrative, right? The technical part is there. I just feel like a lot of the conversation is just missing what this does for women. It gives us freedom. It gives us the ability to move. And I think women make up almost, if not more than 50% of the population.
Absolutely.